Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress offline with XAMPP. First, download and install XAMPP, which stands for Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. Once installed, open the XAMPP control panel. You'll need to start the Apache web server and the MySQL database server. Look for the Start buttons next to these modules and click them. A green status indicates they are running successfully. Then, open your web browser and type localhost into the address bar to confirm XAMPP is operational. Next, you'll need to get the WordPress files. Visit the official WordPress.org website and download the latest version of WordPress. It will come as a compressed zip file. Once downloaded, extract all the contents. Now, navigate to your XAMPP installation directory, usually C drive:/XAMPP, and find the htdocs folder. This is where your website files will live. Move the extracted WordPress folder into htdocs and rename it to something like My Website or Test Site for easy access. Before we can install WordPress, we need a database. Open your web browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. This is the interface for managing your MySQL databases. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option to create a new database. Click on it. Enter a name for your database, something straightforward like WordPress DB or MyProject DB, and then click Create. You don't need to worry about users or passwords for a local setup right now. Finally, it's time to install WordPress. Open your web browser and type localhost/ followed by the name you gave your WordPress folder, for example, localhost/mywebsite. The WordPress installation wizard will appear. Select your language and proceed. When prompted for database details, enter the database name you just created. For the username, type root and leave the password field completely blank. Click Submit, and then run the installation to complete your offline WordPress setup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.